So over.
That'll do it, nice. Yeah, look how much you're struggling
So I guess my whole story with the sailing is that my uncle used to have a catamaran. He used to run the slipway in Coffin's Bay. We used to go over there every year as kids over to Port Lincoln. And yeah, he had this little 14-foot Hobie cat there. We were sailing it around one summer time. I remember my uncle taking me and my cousins out, and he purposely capsized this little catamaran so we could get a feel for what it was like to correct it, to right it up again. I remember we could hear the mast dragging on the ground. So yeah, one day I just had this urge in my lunch break to go sailing, and I was just flicking through Gumtree and found this little sailing dinghy. So I sent Kempy a text, and he had a look at the dinghy, and I lined up a time to go and have a look at it. And it turns out we ended up going to the Garden Island Marina to have a look at this little dinghy, and it was pretty ratty, needed a lot of work, needed sanding down. And so Kempy was all keen, and I was like, no, I'll keep looking, there'll be something better. And sure enough, on our way home, that's from the marina, Kempy was looking through Gumtree again, and we saw a little catamaran for sale. So we called them up, and sure enough, they were at home. And we popped in to have a look at the catamaran. Next thing you know, I'll put a picture of the catamaran up here. We put in an offer, and we were driving home towing a second-hand catamaran. So, Amy, what's your story?
I'm just coming along for the ride and looking pretty.
The clickbait.
Yep.
For the YouTube channel.
Yep.
And so you're enjoying it?
Mm-hmm.
You're gonna
Can't wait for summer though.
You're gonna get your hands dirty next weekend and help sand or at least do some recording. Help us sand it and stuff.
Yep.
Have a glass of wine. Alright. That's good. I'm glad you've embraced it and you're enjoying it. That's a good thing. So yeah, that's our story. And that's pretty much what led us to want to try a hand at sailing. So then after that followed all the YouTube sailing videos, and just got really interested in it. Next thing you know, Kempy's got his hands on this yacht, and here we are now today doing it up, getting it ready to have some fun and maybe cross some oceans, who knows. Yeah, that's it. Over and out. First look and smile. Yeah, watch your hands.
Yeah, thanks. Good morning. I love that standard operating procedure.
Safety glasses, got
all
your
that sort of stuff.
work boots,
Work boots.
high vis.
Yeah. Health
It's
and
all above
safety
board.
101.
test run before we hit the boat hard next weekend, or probably the weekend after, I think.
Tony!
So we're going to have it all finished next weekend.
And then get back in the water.
Yep, no worries.
Out next weekend because I've got Cody. It's going to have to wait till the weekend.
Oh, so 2 weeks and we'll be done.
Yeah.
Tony!
Beauty.
Come on. Step around here, off dog duties and onto let's get dirty duties. Making sure any barnacles on there popped open and the water removed. Around here we have Bradley getting stuck in.
We're gonna need face masks.
Yeah, that's what I said to Steph before. I need face masks and stuff. So, and over here we have Tiny, was meant to be supervising, but she's clearly found something better to do.
Yeah, took one straight back.
So, but today was more just to come down and test out all the tools and everything that we bought to make sure that we've got all the right stuff. So next fortnight we can come get stuck in, chuck this on over any surface rust, which is a rusty metal primer. So we put that on and that'll convert the rust, and then we put a 2-part epoxy primer straight over the top of that and get ready for paint. And burning.
Oh, sweet.
Product placement.
We're not getting sponsored, but
Hangover.
cheers.
And apparently this will cure the hangover.
Can't be worked without a rum and coke. Cheers. And beans.
Cheers.